Ruining a beloved piece of clothing with a clumsy spill, lipstick stain, or nervous sweating may be one of the hardest things to come to terms with. But don't worry, if you're a serial spiller or stainer, we've got your back and the front of all your favorite outfits. If you're so tired that you miss your mouth with your morning cup of joe, this one is for you. Gently rub the opposite side of the stain with a sponge soaked in rubbing alcohol to prevent the stain from spreading. Now, make a mixture of a spoon of powdered laundry detergent with equal parts of white vinegar and water and turn it into a paste. Use a toothbrush to scrub the stain and then rinse. Not a coffee person, but still spilling your juice instead? Here's how to fix it. Make a mixture of 1 tablespoon of vinegar with 2/3 cup rubbing alcohol. Now, take a clean cloth or sponge to blot the stain with the solution. Continue this until the liquid is absorbed and the stain disappears. Indians are notorious for needing ketchup with all their food. But are you someone who ends up with it on your clothes as well? First, remove the excess ketchup as much as possible from the fabric. Do it with a spoon to prevent the fabric being damaged. Run cold water through the back of the stain to force it out. Rub in some dish soap and allow it to sit for 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Now, soak white vinegar in a sponge and apply it on the stain and wash it normally. There's no silver lining to sweat stains. They're embarrassing, distracting, and ruin your clothes. So if you're a nervous sweater, now you can relax. Lay your top inside out on a flat surface. Now, in a small bowl, combine baking soda, a tablespoon of liquid dish soap, and hydrogen peroxide. Spread the mixture on the stained area with a toothbrush to loosen the stain up a bit. Let the mixture work its magic for an hour and then wash the t-shirt normally. Do you also love a bold red lip but hate when it transfers onto your clothes? Simply spray the stain with hairspray, blot with a damp cloth or sponge, and then wash to bring your top back to good as new. If stains are just an everyday occurrence for you, then here's a handy all-purpose stain remover that you can keep with you on the go. Mix a 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide with 2 tablespoons of dish soap in your spray bottle and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. When an unfortunate spill happens, shake the bottle, saturate the stain with it, and watch the stain disappear. Remember to store the bottle in a cool, dark place. With these easy stain removal hacks, you'll never have to cry over spilt milk or coffee or anything else. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.